All right, everyone. Let's now look at lesson 2 for unit 6, okay? In your Grammar Explorer textbook, pages 165 to 171. All right, in this lesson, we're going to look at adverbs of manner. So in the last lesson, we looked at adjectives, which describe nouns. Now we will look at adverbs of manner and adverbs of degree. First, adverbs of manner. So adverbs of manner describe action verbs. Okay, so remember, adjectives describe nouns, adverbs describe verbs. In this case, action verbs. So he spoke softly. Softly tells us how he spoke. She dances beautifully. Beautifully tells us how she dances. Okay? So we can say he spoke, we can say she dances, but to give more information, we can add an adverb of manner to tell us how they do these things. Adverbs of manner usually come after the verb or after the verb plus the object. For example, he sang beautifully. Sang is the verb, so the adverb comes after. He sang the song beautifully. So he sang is the verb. The song is the object. So we can go verb, object, adverb. He sang the song beautifully. But we can't say he sang beautifully the song. Okay? If there's a verb and an object, it goes after the verb and object. Do not use an adverb after a linking verb. Okay, use an adjective like we saw in the previous lesson. So, she looks happy. Looks is a linking verb. Happy is an adjective. She looks happily. No, happily is an adverb, but we don't use adverbs after linking verbs. The flowers smell beautiful. Smell, linking verb, beautiful, adjective. But the flowers smell beautifully. No, because beautifully is an adverb, and we don't use adverbs after linking verbs. All right. Now, to make an adverb, you add ly to most adjectives. Okay, so beautiful, beautifully. Cheerful, cheerfully. Soft, softly. Okay, so we're adding ly to make the adverb. But not all words that end in ly are adverbs. There's some tricky words. So he is friendly. Friendly ends in ly, but it's an adjective. That kid looks lonely. Again, ends in ly, but lonely is an adjective. That's an ugly painting. Ugly is an adjective, not an adverb. Those are lovely flowers. Again, lovely is an adjective, not an adverb. Some adverbs of manner have the same form as the related adjective. So for these, you do not add ly. The class finished early. We don't add ly to early. He drove home fast, not fastly, fast. She studies hard every night, not hardly, hard. And they turned in their work late, not lately. And remember, the adverb form of good is well. So my new laptop works well, not my new laptop works good. Okay, good is a noun, all right, or an adjective, not an adverb. So well. Okay, adverbs of degree. Use adverbs of degree to make adjectives or other adverbs stronger or weaker. I'm sure you know some of these words. We have somewhat, fairly, pretty, really, very, so, quite, and extremely. So if you add these to adjectives or adverbs, we can make the adjective stronger or weaker, like extremely tired or somewhat tired. Examples. The movie was somewhat long. So not very long, just somewhat. The students did very well on the test. Our team played pretty badly last night. So somewhat, very, pretty, these change the degree of the adjective, either stronger or weaker. Now, adverbs of degree usually come before the adjective or the adverb. So it was really good, not it was good really. And be careful. Do not use pretty, fairly, or somewhat in negative statements. So she was somewhat tired. This is okay. But not she wasn't somewhat tired. I am pretty hungry. This is good. I'm not pretty hungry. No. So we don't use these adverbs of degree, pretty, fairly, somewhat, in negative statements. All right. That is the lesson on adverbs of manner and adverbs of degree. Please do your classwork now and turn it in on Canvas. Thank you all.